Art class? Yeah. It's art class only. Today we are making the clay modeling only. You love origami?
Certainly don't draw insect or I insect or I tried an all insect.
You love insects? What you say, Vika? Niharika, you love insects?
When I'm saying don't please draw insect, all insect spider name.
All insects you scared. It is this very common insects in this bird face mouth because this bird is eating mouse only.
So wait till I finish doing.
Hmm? Yes, flying insects like this. So we are taking times and makes first start circle and the body also like you know oval kind of the shapes. Okay, the basic shapes of these birds. Okay, done. I hope so. The guys are done. Complete his parts that much. Yeah, take time, take time. Nice. Nice. Great. Super. Okay. So we are going to now so now after that, so making this line, here's a straight line. Okay, you can use a brush as well, you can, otherwise you can use this, okay, like you know, brush pen. I'm using the brush pen over here, so create that nice brush shape. I can create some design over here. Neck part, this is like this only. See, I just make line like this, like this. Random, just do like this. Okay. Yes, beta, take care. Take care. Yeah, bye. We can make some after that. The drawing, the line drawing is an cover. We can create some now with the normal brush. Okay, these birds you can see over here. Okay, these birds basically yellow, and this color is a French ultramarine. So we are using the French ultramarine and little crimson red. Okay, so this color coming ultramarine red. Okay, and very lightly I can put this color actually very nice, soft, this bird. Okay, we are mixed like this. You can create some little dark tone with this. Mix some yellow. This here or here, beta? Purple one, French ultramarine blue, and we can use after that once more, that is called red, ultramarine blue and red. These two color you can use. Okay, this is fine. Crimson is also same works. Don't worry. I can use after that the pen, so you can just use in little strokes. Yes, beta, tell me. Yes, wow, that's good. That's awesome. What is this, beta? This is some strokes you can put. Wow, that's great. What, sorry, beta? No, it's available. I hope that you just make it leave and again join is coming. Beta, don't worry. Sometimes this happen. Can make some lines, okay, some small lines over here like this. Fine, you can create a line. Okay, this is with brush pen. I'm using here the insects in mouth. Again, you just wait, beta. Maybe some internet issues. Like this. You just make some lines over here and there. This part is little pretty dark. Akhilesh understood, beta. Now is okay. Yesterday you were not understanding, no? First class you tell I'm not understand. Now we understood, beta, how to draw, how I step by step.